Welcome, loves, to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm about to celebrate my anniversary with my husband, 13 years together. And yeah, we started dating in 2011 when I was 16 and a half and he was 17. He turned 17. And here I am now. Okay, I did off camera my foundation because I have a descriptive video, super descriptive video. Like, I posted this on Wednesday. We're going to get started. I'll start with priming my lid. To be honest, I'm filming this video couple of days ahead. The real anniversary is going to happen tomorrow on 11th of July. And we got married on 11th of July 2019 and we started dating 11th of July 2011. We've been together, let's say, for 13 years. Tomorrow is going to be 13 years. And yeah, such a bliss. We're going to start with makeup. I was thinking sexy, pretty, probably a little bit pink because, well, I haven't done pink in a while. Now I want to start with this really soft pop shade. It's not going to give a lot of color, but it's going to really help to set my concealer in place. I'm going to be doing this makeup look this weekend and doing the exact same hairstyle, but I'm still choosing between two outfits. The first one is the dress I wore for my cousin's wedding last year, and the second one is some sort of dress, not even dress, but top and bottom skirt. I'm gonna do my smoky. I have black eye pencil. I need to create a thick line on top and on the bottom. So we're gonna do thick black moment. And I'll start with placing this color really close to my lash line. I'm gonna drag it out a little bit. It's not gonna be precise, so we're just gonna create a thick line in this area, and with a little bit different brush from, I guess, MAC. I'm not really sure it's MAC. I'm going to smudge out the line. This is my concealer brush. You can see that it's really precise, tiny, thin, has some sort of round shape. Now I want to do the same pencil over waterline. Now let's go with my eyeshadow palette. For this look, I would need to use 3 eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, I know, but probably you have something similar in some other eyeshadow palettes. So try to, play around. I need this type of brush. It's sort of short and it's really handy to place some eyeshadows. I have my Every Cloud color. It says gray, it's dark gray, and I really love dark gray instead of black. It's worth it sometimes. I'll get this on my brush, tap it off, and of course, cover my eye and set my pencil. For the outer corner, I'll go with the same MAC brush that we used to smudge everything out. Let's go with some leftovers from my brush. Bring this down a little bit. To my beautiful shade from Makeup Revolution, Forever Flawless Constellation. And I want to use this color from the palette. It's called Dimension. Let's wet my brush first, some moisture from my beauty blender, and use this color. And I'll just do this on top of my line. And I want to do a mix of 2 shades with my Morphe brush. I'm going to do this hot pink, a little bit, tap it off, and a little bit of my previous color, Pop. And just use it on top of my color. And for my lower lid, I'm going to do the same combination, a little bit of pink, a little bit of pop, look up, and diffuse. I have my NYX Glitter Gold palette, and I'm not really sure that I want to do purple. Probably the silver. Let's do it silver. I'm going to grab it with a hand. Ooh! Oh my god! With my finger, I'll transfer this glitter on top. And in the inner corner, probably do my pink rosy shade from the same palette. Let's do the trick with loose powder underneath, and then I'll coat my lashes with mascara. I was thinking to do probably some falsies, but I'm not a huge fan of falsies. It's too fake. I know I'm doing full makeup and all of that, but I try to look as natural as possible, if it's possible. Well, I'm back and I need to wipe off any leftovers of my powder. I'll do my lip balm first. I have my brown pencil and let's outline my lips first. I have this pink lip liner. Let's add a little on top of brown. Now I have my Maybelline. It's 940 Color Matte. I'll add it in the center. Use my lip liner brush and mix it all together. And I have two glosses. This is really old Revlon 515, and this is super soft Divage color lip plumper. I don't know, whatever. I want to mix them together and see what we have. So let's add this bright pink over my lower lip, and this baby pink goes over my top lip. Okay, now I need to take off this curls, and then now I have two options what I'm supposed to wear, and I have no idea what should I really wear. So we'll see. I'll start from the bottom. Okay, I need some oil, and then I'll just spread this here with my hands, with my fingers. Well, this is probably my first option, and I would probably put on some really comfortable shoes. I have a cute black bag, this really cute earrings. I should do some silver bracelets. If I hate it, I'll take them off. This is the first option. Quite cute. It's cute. It dressed up. Okay, to my second option. I want to play with the contrast. I mean, it's white, obviously. And I have my leopard print shoes. These shoes. I need to change my earrings. I was thinking black would work. I have this beautiful black ring. And this is my second option. It's weird to say, but I'm leaning towards this option. It's a little bit more, I don't know, glamorous, I'd say. Yeah, it's probably like a little bit more glamorous. Okay guys, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me. I'm about to celebrate my anniversary with my husband tomorrow, 13 years. And yeah, you can let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite. Was it a dress? Is it this type of outfit? And I hope I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Love you all so much. Bye bye.